Today, I'll show you how to turn on email notifications in Google Forms. If you want to get an email every time someone submits your form, Google Forms has a built-in option for that. Google says you can turn on notifications for new responses from the Responses tab inside the form. This is useful when you want to track new submissions quickly without checking the form manually all the time. To get started, open your Google form on a computer and click the Responses tab at the top. Then look for the More menu, which is the three-dot icon near the Responses area. Google says that inside this menu, you'll find the option called Get Email Notifications for new responses. Once you click that, notifications are turned on for that form. After you enable it, Google Forms will send an email notification when a new response comes in. If you ever want to stop the emails later, you can go back to the same Responses tab, open the same three-dot menu, and turn that option off again. Google lists it as an on or off setting, so you can manage it anytime from the same place. Now, there's another feature that people often confuse with response notifications. Google Forms also lets you send responders a copy of their own answers, but that is a different setting. Google says if you want respondents to get a receipt of what they submitted, you need to turn on Collect Email Addresses. Then choose whether to send a copy of the response when requested or always. That does not replace the owner's new response notification setting. It's also helpful to know that these email notifications are tied to the form itself, not just the spreadsheet. If you link your form to Google Sheets, you can still manage the email alerts from the Form's Responses tab. And if you need more advanced options, like customized follow-up emails or extra notification rules, Google's help page points to add-ons as the next step. So, in simple terms, open the form, go to Responses, click the three-dot menu, and turn on Get Email Notifications for new responses. That's the built-in Google Forms method for getting an email whenever someone fills out your form. And that's how to turn on email notifications in Google Forms. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.